gonna try this reaction here on the Q. Let's see if it works out. Okay. Let's see if it's gonna break that level. I don't like that Nvidia now is looking bullish. Well, we'll see. Another reaction there. Look at that ugly candle on SPY. I'm gonna start looking some profits here. Nvidia is kind of waking up, but the Q is still rejecting the same level. SPY, look at that ugly candlestick on SPY. This type of candlestick can blow up your account like this. Okay, I think I'm gonna get out of this because Nvidia is looking pretty bullish. So we'll see. It's weird. It's weird. Okay, look at that move. Okay. I like that better. SPY very weak. What's going on with SPY? The Q is holding very good. Okay, I'm out. I don't care if this thing goes back down to 619.50. Look at that. It's weird.